Alright, remember a few months back I said to plant a garden because when you plant a garden, you will reap the benefits. Now, these are the first ones that I'm harvesting. I've already harvested cilantro, basil, still waiting on the corn, their native corn, the black corn. Waiting on them. And just harvest these off my trees. And look, they're still in full bloom. So it's easy to feed yourself in this time. My neighbor is over there, like he got a nice one going. Nice garden. That's how we're doing it. We're feeding ourselves. So you can do it too. Don't be afraid. Even if you just have a pot, even if it's just on the balcony of a building, plant a little garden. Feed yourself. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm very proud. And the tomatoes are coming in right there. See, there's more squash in here too. Coming in. It's a nice one right there. They're coming in. Just plant your garden. Believe in yourself. God does the work for you. Just gotta give it water, keep it in the sun, and God will take care of it for you. It's not even that big, it's just a little backyard garden. But it will feed me and my family for a little bit till I can plant the other ones. Like, share, and comment. My channel is like a little family game slash do things, do it yourself around the yard kind of thing. We'll be having more content, but I need more supporters. So please share my videos and help me get up to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.